Okay, kids, so this is our final video for chapter 28 of Wheelock and learning about the present subjunctive with jussive clauses and purpose clauses. I should have mentioned earlier, just so you know, um, the jussive is actually an independent clause. Okay, that means it's just out there standing on its own, and it doesn't need any help. So it's actually an independent clause, whereas the purpose clause is a subordinate clause. That means there's a main sentence and like the actions are going on and you would use the indicative. But in the subordinate clause, you would use the subjunctive, or at least that's what I'm telling you for now. So anyway, purpose clauses, there's a subordinate clause indicating the purpose or object of the action in the main clause. So here's an example. We study Latin so that we may learn more about the ancient Roman world. I just improvised there, but anyway, we're good. Okay, so we study Latin. That's the main sentence. We want to know more so that we may learn more about ancient Rome. Or we study Latin to improve our English. To improve our English is our subordinate subjunctive purpose clause. We're just going to call it a purpose clause from now on. All right, so anyway, we usually in English use the infinitive. That's like to do something. Like, I read to learn more about the world. To learn would be how we would do a kind of a purpose clause. The Romans don't quite do it that way. Instead, Latin most commonly employed a subjunctive clause introduced by ut or for the negative, nay. The auxiliary may, as in the first English example above, is frequently used in translating the present tense in a purpose clause. So you would use like, he says this so that he may help them. And Miss Rowland is in our video now. Come on in, Miss Rowland. You're fine.